let's see how we can outline, reorder, and generally reorganize the structure of our site in HAX. For this, we have two major ways that we can work. One is this pencil just off the side of the active page that says Outline Actions. The other is the outline of the site. Let's start with small in-context actions. So I go to Outline Actions, and from here, you can see I can add a page underneath this one, move this page up and down relative to its siblings, indent, outdent, or jump it somewhere else. There's also a shortcut to the Open Site Outline, which is the same as if we clicked on this button. So first, let's outdent this page, and we'll see that it moves it outside of this parent page. From there, I could move it up. I could switch to this other page that was previously the parent, opening the outline again. I could say indent, and now we've effectively reordered this little part of our outline. I could take new page and indent, which then moves it under add images. And if I take one of these pages and move it up, all the children come with it. So another way that we could do that, if we have a bigger vision of bulk operations that need to take place in our outline, is going to the Site Outline and Structure tab. So from here, we can see all of our pages. We can rapidly add a whole bunch of pages. We can move these and nest them. Think of this as more of a planning and prototyping tool, as well as duplicating large structures. So if I'm having a site that's documentation, tutorial-based, an online course, something of that nature, it might make sense to craft a really good data structure for my site, duplicate that structure. I can double-click and rename pages in bulk. I can tab to the next item, and rename those pages. I can move these around just like I could before, but those actions were instant, whereas this has a bit of planning involved. I hit Save Outline, and this thing will say, hey, I'm about to add 11 new pages. Are you sure? Sure. And now we've got all of those pages with the structure, duplicating content if it existed, and then organized the way we wanted it.